I'll bring in all the footage and we'll watch a scene and then watch the edited scene so you guys see the difference in those moments. How you can see that in the actual scene we didn't get the moment, but the way you pull bits from in and out and swap it all around, then you see the moments that as an actor you need to look for.
I think this last thing I did at Griffith Uni, I think he actually did that because we showed it a few times. And I think he pulled a couple of.
Well, I spoke to Neighbours editor as well, and he goes, "That's how an editor works, mate." He goes, "That's why we create the magic, not you guys."
They do.
They do.
They make it look good.
Man, one thing I've recognised, director is important, but no one's as important as the editor.
Yeah. Because they do the real storytelling.
They're the ones that do, exactly, they do the storytelling. They look at the script, pull it all apart, and then put it back together with the story being told. And it is
Do you
incredible.
think it's collaborative though, or?
Oh, it definitely is.
You can have a great director, actors, sound and everything like that.
If you got a shit editor,
Editor,
it'll look good. It'll look shit.
The more the music that you put in it can make it seem like a completely different vibe.
Well,
The teaser was
good.
perfect.
And I showed that to the Neighbours, one of the Neighbours directors, and he went, "Mate, that's a freaking awesome teaser. That's professional." That was good. He goes, "Pretty much
ATA
the
one?
shit." Yeah, the ATA one's our teaser, yeah. He's like, "Mate, that's fucking, what camera did you shoot that on?" I'm like, "Oh, we used the red." He's like, that's like professional grade teaser right there. So that was
I
nice.
reckon he's shot really well.
Oh yeah.
And he looked at episode 2 and 3, and that's without sound design done or anything, and without being tied up. And he said, look, he gave me some hints on making certain scenes work with a different pace. Your and Mike's scene in the car, your scene in the office. And so he gave me some good hints, and I've taken that and I've adjusted to what he said, and it does look a lot better.
Oh, you've redone it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, right.
And it was just like with your scene to make it funny. He's like, Mike should be, the minute you say something, Mike should be bang on you, bang on you, bang on you,
Yeah,
and you're all uncomfortable. Rather than Mike going, oh, what about it? You know, like having that lag,
Yeah.
and it just puts that added amount of pressure
Yeah.
on you,
Yeah.
feeling more awkward,
Yeah.
and it worked really well.
Okay.
And then, after doing that, but he said, this is the show I would watch on TV. He goes, I watch a lot of shit from student films and that, and then,
You should have
But
seen
I
the
don't know
first
what this
three
is.
episodes. Like,
I went
even
through on
Rough,
YouTube
you know,
and
you
looked
kind
at
of go, okay,
How's-
some of the web series on there, and I've
It's
gone.
a Rough, but
Yeah,
I
it's
was
fun
laughing
stuff.
How's the
my
scene
ass off.
with
I
me
thought it
and
was
Joel?
hilarious.
How's
It was
the
going
rating
really
in the
well.
office?
That's the most
Yeah,
important part, when
the
they
scene with
connect,
you and
if
Joel.
they
Yeah.
don't, they just kind of like, oh no.
Funny.
What one?
it was better than the scene with you and Joel, but the scene with you and Joel was good.
Okay.
But again,
That was the one I was most worried about.
I swapped a lot of Joel's stuff around.
After that day, it was just
Because I was
like,
No, I took some bits out,
yeah.
and swapped things around again, but I
So I
did
kept
a lot
thinking,
of
I'm thinking,
Joel's.
geez, I wish we had just one more chance to do that.
No, you were fine. It was Joel in that scene that
Fucked it up.
I changed around.
Which scene was
I'll
that
say-
one?
Stephen said
The
I was
office?
excellent in that scene.
In the
You
office.
fucked
Yeah,
it up,
just
Joel.
him and
Which
Joel.
one did you say was funnier than the scene with him and
Gar.
Joel?
So if you don't see too much of yourself, mate, don't be concerned.
Have you spoken about since?
No, not really. The scene with Garth, and again, he did.
Deciding whether it's any good, we'll watch this movie the other night, and goes, that would be a good show or something, so.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Wow. So, when she says, I thought, he talking to yourself. I'm gathering he's talking about,
Fish shoot
he didn't tell me you're gonna buy it, so, he didn't tell me you're gonna buy it, still.
Oh, okay. And then midnight
working,
till
she-
midnight, so
I don't know, have you seen that around?
Shoots.
It's all set up where
I
these
saw your
cops are
photo.
trying to get.
Was that for the?
Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
Where you want it, all set on it. But there's a part in here where someone's like.
Yes, hold it.
Says, oh, can I talk to you for a sec?
Do you want it like just without the,
I'm
just do one holding
I'm
it
just
with the
gonna cross
phone
it
up.
out and I'm gonna get like a text message instead.
Oh, okay.
Because
What?
basically, he just takes me out of the room and says, oh,
Do you want to just do this?
we found a little scar, he's been shot twice or whatever, and the girl's gone. So I'll just get a text message and I'll leave it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
do your comical kind of what?
Just do a read through.
Yeah, cool.
There, let's see.
Now, Steve, you're naked over here doing the shot.
Perfect.
That'd be awesome. No navy?
No, I had the navy one in there as well, but it just seems to be purple.
Except the international office. It must be about the groupies or,
Okay.
something about no
She didn't give me one, I told you before, Melanie wasn't part of the plan. Odell must have told her to do it. She bursts in, grabs the shopping bag and takes off. What am I supposed to do, go after her? I'm in my fucking underwear. I had to get dressed before I could do anything, so I put this back on because I could put this on faster than I could put on my
Well, what's something that
negotiating.
You took the time to pay the saleswoman.
Yeah, well, I was frantic, but I didn't know what to do.
What did you do after that?
I went looking for you. I went straight to the bookstore because that was the where you were last time, but you weren't there. How am I supposed to let anybody know what happened? You didn't tell me how to do that, did you? I knew I was under surveillance, so when I couldn't spot anybody, I started yelling.
that's
Too long.
That could be interpreted.
There was no Melon.
It could be, I love happy endings.
We had our
That could be
agent.
taken so many
She
different
saw it.
ways.
She sees a blonde coming out of
You're
the
a
Robinson's made that. The tussle with a tough
Well,
little
happy
white
ending,
guy.
so it wasn't very happy
The
for
white
me.
guy takes the
Well,
shopping bag and they
you're
go.
just smiling, you're like,
This guy with Melanie was Lewis
a nice
Fitzgerald.
guy. I love happy endings.
I didn't
But it
see
wasn't
it.
a happy
I
ending.
was in my underwear. If it
You
was a
had a
guy,
happy ending
probably
with
it was
Russell.
probably
No,
Lewis.
no.
Did he kill Melanie?
It's possible.
I only happy ending.
You're saying you don't have any idea what happened
Saying like,
after 50,000.
I love German
But I have
chocolate.
no idea.
Take a polygraph on it.
If it'd make you happy.
I love German
I
candies.
love happy endings.
I'm sure you haven't done anything dumb, Jack.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's ambiguous.
Lewis Garrett's dead. LAPD found him
I think
dead
it can
in
be
a
taken
car
in
at
many
night.
different ways.
They've lost Odell.
Some people, because it's a show, might think, oh, you like, it's
We
gonna
were,
end with a
lost
happy ending. The show.
He walked into a strip bar sometime around 3:30, never came out. The bar was on night, less than
You're in a,
less than a mile and a half from where Lewis was
I
found
love
dead.
happy endings.
Looks like Lewis's friend shot him twice at point blank range.
Yeah.
Wait, something about a happy ending in
So
your
what
life.
happens now?
You pick up
Happy
Odell.
endings make
We've
my
got
life
3
better.
murders we can link him to. We have the story unit where he keeps his gun. By tomorrow we'll have a search warrant to go in and
Love
get
is
him.
in the eye of the beholder,
The
beholding
review.
design.
What about me?
What about you?
Do you think I took some of that money?
I have no evidence that you're taking anything. You didn't pay for your snazzy new suit with Mark Bills, I was glad to see that.
That's.
You've been helping us out, you gave us Melanie and
I like
Lewis.
that.
Melanie had a packet of Mark Bills stuffed in her shorts when they found her, which goes a long way to backing up the story.
Easy turning, or
I'll
whatever.
settle for Odell. If you have something else going on you haven't told me about between you and Odell,
Because
all
Will
I've got to
gets
say is
some
you're
that I
over
think
40
is
before you
this
find
one's
you
bad.
out.
These lines, I feel like I'm not saying them right, not naturally. It's got no character.
I always seem to miss the happy ending.
What was it gonna be then?
Well, it's a good start. We'll keep getting better.
What's it gonna be?
Can you fit happy endings bring a tear to my eye? Or is that too
You
long?
wanna write it? You just, yeah,
No, I thought I did.
you wanna write it?
You didn't.
Man, before we write it.
I think with all this on your mind, you wait till after.
It's
I got there early. I had my eye on this suit.
Ah,
Wait, let's start.
so long,
I got there early.
so big.
Or what
The
about
idea was to
sticking
try on
my
the
eyes?
suit, see if I liked it. If I did, I get
Eyes-
the front
eyes
up and
likewise.
change
I
back
like
to
eyes.
uniform.
Next time.
Love should be
That's
blind,
what's
no.
sharing.
Yeah.
What is this thing?
Love can blind.
Bag.
Love is blinding.
But that's that.
You didn't do that.
Because I didn't have it. Right, I swear, Melanie came in and grabbed it.
The blinds.
And someone killed her for it.
It was a bag she gave you.
She didn't give me
Oh,
one.
no,
I told
bitch.
you before. Melanie wasn't part of the plan. Waddell must have told her go do
I
it.
swear.
She bursts in,
I know it.
grabs the shopping bag and takes off. What am I supposed to do? Go after her? I'm in my fucking underwear. I get
I love my
dressed
life.
and before I could do anything,
What did you say? Again?
right, I had to get dressed before I could
Happy
do
endings
it.
bring a
So
tear.
I put this back on
You
because
said happy endings make me cry.
I
That's
put this
true.
back on faster before I, oh my god, this line. So I
This
put
thing
this back
that's
on
cool,
because
shuts
I
on it,
put
something.
this on faster then I couldn't.
Happy endings make me close my eyes.
It took the time.
What about my eyesight's fine?
I had to. I was frantic.
It's
I didn't know
okay.
what to do.
My eyesight's fine.
I went looking for you. I went straight to the
I no
bookstore
longer have to
because
wait
that's
for you.
where I saw you last
Once,
time.
no,
But you were there.
once you see something, you can't unsee it.
You didn't tell me how to do that, now did you?
Love can
I
be
knew I
sticky.
Love often puts you in sticky situations.
There was a guy of Mel.
Not in the fitting room.
We had our Asian on you. She sees
Once
it one
you see, you can't unsee
coming out of the fitting room, carrying a Robinson's made bag and tussling with a tough-looking white guy.
Once you see,
The white guy takes the shopping bag and they go.
Once you see it, you
This
can't
guy with Mel
unsee
on
it.
you, that was
Once you see
Lewis
it, you
No,
can't
no, no.
unsee it. Once you see it.
once you see, you can't unsee.
Once you see it.
that was Lewis Gar.
I didn't see him. I was in my underwear. If it was a
Once-
guy,
once
it would
seen, never
probably be
forgotten.
Lewis. What, he killed Melanie?
That's possible.
Love can be
You
seen.
say you don't have any idea what happened to the 50,000.
No, I have no idea.
You take a polygraph on it? Sure hope you haven't done anything dummy, Jackson.
I love Kleenex.
Lewis Gar is
What about
dead.
just eyes
LAPD found him dead in the car at night. And with
Is that copyright?
Yeah. Well, already on the I'm already on the defense, even though you don't know anything about me doing it yet.
Well, I'm thinking more of a witness, but
Yeah, you're
You're
thinking
not,
more of a
yeah, yeah.
witness. I'm thinking more of a
so
suspect. So
it'd be, what about me? So I think the leverage is a bit more, what about you?
no, because I was saying because you're responding
You
to
do
the
it
way
as
I
well.
the fact that I say what
Maybe
about me, because you would suspect that if I knew you were talking about me as a witness, that I wouldn't need to say anything like, oh yeah, no, I'm here, I'm
thinking-
saying it.
What about you? I'm thinking more like, you are a witness. What about me?
What on the,
Yeah, that's more.
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
good.
as in what else? I mean, what about you? Like, you're a witness. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, you don't see. I see.
Yeah.
Unless you take it.
And then you go, I think I took someone at once, so are you going to charge me?
Yeah, we're on completely different time paths there because you don't realise that that's what's wrong yet. But you still suspect. That's why you said that last line. Going, you have done something wrong. It's like
I
when
think-
kids come home, like if you have little siblings or whatever, and they do something, like, oh, you didn't do anything. It's like, well, I'm not saying that you did, but if you did, and your parents find out, I'm not going to be here to help you. Kind of thing. It's like, yeah, that kind of.
So, because basically you've set it up so that we can,
But not for me, and
but
I'm still very
not,
guilty.
not pin him for the money. So, yeah, it's a bit suspicious of what you've done, but as long as we get,
There's enough geriatrics.
Got that one.
I don't know